Hi, it's Brian Resney. It's question and answer day, and I'm going to talk about some general interest with interest rates. I've had a lot of inquiries, not only on my TV and radio show, about interest rates going up, and I firmly believe this year we will see 2 interest rates of a quarter point each. But I will say this, I am seeing tremendous amounts of investors, not our clients, but people who are looking to talk to us about managing their money or calls from my TV or radio show, people who are so poorly positioned in overvalued bonds and bond funds or bond investments in general. Investors chasing yield in closed-end mutual funds. I will say this, most investors do not truly understand how interest rates affect bonds, how bonds in general work, and unfortunately it's going to come at the detriment, in my opinion, to their portfolio values. If I look at last year, 2016, the bond market was way more volatile than really the equity-based markets. Take a look at the 20-year Treasury. It dropped almost 13% the last quarter of 2016. The worst drop of large cap last year was in January. It was only 10.5%. So when somebody tells you that adding bonds to your portfolio is going to add safety, unfortunately, folks, that may not really be the case, especially if you own the wrong types of bonds or the wrong types of investments that produce income. Again, I've seen a lot of investors chase yield. I've seen a lot of investors just get the worst advice from their Wall Street firms and their banks, because again, remember, these firms often don't manage money. They're selling investments. But investors, unfortunately, take that advice at the detriment of their retirement. Remember this, you have one retirement. Never have regrets and never settle for mediocre investment advice. Get that needed second opinion. Call Resney Wealth Management. We'd love to talk to you about managing your portfolio. Again, we do manage larger portfolios, $500,000 on up. If that sounds like you, call us for a consultation. Let's talk, let's review. We'd love to help get you back on track and get rid of those conflicts and mediocre advice you're getting from your Wall Street firm or the annuity salesperson. Have a great and profitable day.